Hi Freaky for Freaks, Shalini here. Today we are going to draw JHOPE of BTS. Belated happy birthday to our hobby. Many happy returns of the day. Stay healthy and happy. May your dreams come true and keep smiling always. I saw his birthday live and I felt like the J-Hope we knew is back. Nothing is more fun than to see him, the J-Hope we knew for so long. This makes me so happy for him. He is a total angel. He donated 200 million won to a medical children hospital at Seoul, South Korea, and said that he will continue doing that every year on his birthday. And said that he will continue doing that every year on his birthday. He is so caring towards member. He is so kind and warm-hearted. Jimin once said, J-Hope is like a pillar supporting BTS. Even when he turns 40, he will remain a goofball, sunshine, and source of energy for both BTS as well as armies. I can guarantee you one thing is for sure, no one is perfect, but Jung Hosek is an exception. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support, which will mean a lot to me, by hitting the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And lastly, you are not freak, but unique.